Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone stuck on boot screen. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. My Android is having problems trying to boot up. First, when it boots up, it gets stuck on the boot screen, i.e. loading the operating system. The Android logo shows up as well as the manufacturer logo, but it never boots up successfully and reaches the home screen. I left it on for hours until the battery died, so I can confirm that it was stuck on the boot screen. When your Android phone is having problems like this, don't worry. We'll help you out, and we'll explain the reasons and how to fix the Android phone won't go past boot screen issue to get your Android phone working properly. Cause 1. Your Android phone is out of battery. How to get Android phone out of the stuck boot screen. The solution here is to plug your Android phone into a power source. If your Android phone is stuck on the boot screen, your phone may not be able to proceed to the next procedure because the battery is exhausted. So you need to connect it to a power outlet using the charging cable that comes with your Android phone. And make sure the connection is firm. Please make sure that the charging cable and the charger are in good condition. You can use them to charge another smartphone to test if they are working well. Keep the device charging until more than 60 minutes, then press the power button to see if the Android phone boots normally. If not, your Android phone may have other problems. Please continue to try the following methods to fix the problem of Android phone gets stuck on boot screen. Cause 2. External accessories or SD card cause Android phone is stuck on boot screen. The solution here is to remove external accessories and SD card. Sometimes, external accessories or SD connected to the phone may also interfere with the boot process, causing stuck boot screen on Android phone. For example, external speakers, headphones, printers, computers, charging accessories, and so on. In order to avoid interference from external accessories and SD cards, if there are external accessories in SD, try to uninstall all accessories and remove the SD card. Cause 3. Temporary software glitch causes Android phone stuck on boot screen. Android phone stuck on boot screen. How to fix. This solution refreshes your Android and clears temporary glitches that may affect it. It is able to fix most software and temporary glitch issues. There are 2 ways included. 1. Restart your Android phone. You need to long press the power button, after which the power off screen will be displayed. Then select the restart option. After that, select the restart option again to confirm. It will take some time for the Android phone to restart. Please wait patiently for the Android phone to restart. When it reaches the lock screen, swipe up to unlock your device and use it again. 2. Hard restart your Android phone. The steps to force Android phones to restart are slightly different for different phone brands. If you are using a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If you are using a Google Pixel smartphone, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If you are using a OnePlus, press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If you are using Huawei, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If you are using Xiaomi, press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If you are using Oppo, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If you are using Vivo, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If your phone has a removable battery, just pull it out, wait for 15 seconds, put it back, and then long press the power button to force restart the phone. Cause 4. Glitch app. Another troubleshooting solution to fix a stuck Android phone boot screen is to put your Android phone into safe mode. Safe mode is an advanced solution that helps you find possible reasons why your device is behaving strangely and fix the problem. It boots the device without third-party apps. First, you need to make sure that your Android phone is turned off. If your Android phone won't turn off, wait for a day or 2 for your Android phone to run out of battery. Then charge your Android phone for 30 minutes or more. After that, long press the power button and the volume up button. When the phone logo appears on the screen or vibrates, release the power button and the volume up button. If done correctly, your Android phone will enter recovery mode. Find and select the safe mode option in recovery mode. After that, your phone will restart and safe mode will appear in the bottom left corner of the screen. If it boots normally and runs normally in safe mode, then you can conclude that the Android phone can't get past the logo due to a malfunctioning app. Find the app that you think is problematic. Long press it on the safe mode screen to delete it. After that, if you want to exit safe mode to run Android setup in normal mode, you can just restart it. If the steps here don't put your Android phone into safe mode, leave a comment below, tell us your brand, and we'll show you what to do. Cause 5. Corrupted files or data. The solution here is to wipe the cache partition. When you use your Android phone every day, it tends to accumulate cache data. While this data is meant to help your device run smoothly, it can also get corrupted over time. File corruption is also one of the sources of the Android phone gets stuck on the booting screen issue. To wipe the cache partition, first, turn off your Android device. Then connect your phone to your computer using a USB data cable. Next, use the key combination to put your Android phone into recovery mode to wipe the cache partition. The steps vary for different phone brands. Here are some of the steps to get out of the stuck boot screen on Android phone. If you are using a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button at the same time until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe cache partition option and select it using the power button. Then, select yes. If you are using a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode and select it using the power button. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press the power button plus volume up button. Then, use the volume buttons and power button to select the wipe cache partition option. If you are using a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe cache partition option and select it using the power button. Next, select yes. Once the process is all completed, your Android phone will restart and return to the home screen. The correct key combination to access recovery mode may vary depending on the make and model of your Android phone. If you can't enter recovery mode, let us know your phone brand in the comments section and we'll show you how to do it. Of course, you can also try this method directly. Cause 6. Android phone is attacked or update failed. The solution here to get your Android phone past the boot screen is to factory reset your phone. If all else fails, performing a factory reset is most likely your last resort. Doing so will delete everything on your phone, including apps, contacts, photos, and more. Let's get started. In line with wiping the cache partition, first, turn off your Android device. Then, connect your phone to your computer using a USB data cable. Next, enter recovery mode to reset your unpowered Android phone. The steps vary for different phone brands. Here are the steps for some of them. If you're using a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button at the same time until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe data, factory reset option and select it using the power button. Then, select yes. If you are using a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode and then use the power button to select it. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press the power button plus volume up button. Then, use the volume buttons and the power button to select the wipe data, factory reset option. If you are using a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe data, factory reset option and use the power button to select it. Next, select yes. Once the reset process is complete, your device will restart. It will be restored to its original state, just like when you first bought it. Please note that using this method when your Android phone getting stuck on the boot screen will delete everything on your phone. So make sure you have an existing backup before proceeding. Cause 7. Water damage or hardware damage. The solution here is to seek professional repair. It may be that your phone has been soaked in water or there is a problem with one of the internal components of the phone, which causes Android phone get stuck in an endless loop on the boot screen. Please take your Android device to the official service center of the Android phone manufacturer or go to the dealer where you purchased it to repair your Android phone. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix Android phone vibrates but won't turn on issues, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.